Yo guys, what's up? Today we're modding another PSP, and no, this isn't a software mod. We're talking full-on hardware modifications. Now, as you can see, this PSP is pretty beat up. Lots of wear, lots of character, which honestly makes it the perfect candidate for this project. This isn't my first time modding a PSP. I've done this before, and a big inspiration for me was a channel called Commando. I'll drop a link in the bio, definitely check them out. Some of you might have already seen another video on my channel where I showcased my previously modified PSP. Let me show you that one real quick before we jump into this build. So as you can see here, one PSP is still completely stock and the other one is obviously modded, and just look at the screen difference. The stock PSP on top looks a little washed out, not a lot of contrast there. Meanwhile, the modded PSP on the bottom looks super crisp with way nicer contrast overall. And honestly, just look at how different the modded PSP looks compared to the stock one. I really enjoyed working on this PSP. I did a whole variety of mods to it, and it honestly gave the system a whole new life. Right now, this is my favorite PSP out of all the ones I own, but hey, that might change once I'm done modding the stock PSP. This golden PSP right here has USB Type-C, wireless charging with MagSafe, and of course that clean gold shell. But that's not all. It also has an IPS screen and a bigger battery. If you're interested in that build, make sure to check out that video on my channel. Alright, now it's time to mod this PSP. I'll show you exactly what I'm planning to do, and after that I'll let the music and the footage take over in a clean time-lapse montage.
No.